Planning your first cruise to Alaska? A world of spectacular glaciers, majestic wildlife, and unique cultural experiences awaits you. Here's a little guide to help you make the most of your Alaskan cruise. Imagine embarking on your voyage. The excitement in the air is palpable as the ship leaves the harbor. The journey begins, and the anticipation of the adventure that lies ahead is thrilling. First on the agenda is the Inside Passage, a coastal route that presents an unbroken stretch of rainforest, wildlife, and a string of islands. Look out for the humpback whales and porpoises that often frolic in these waters. As the ship cruises further into the Alaskan wilderness, the stunning sight of Glacier Bay National Park greets you. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to a dynamic landscape of glaciers, snow-capped mountains, and a rich array of wildlife. Don't miss the opportunity to witness the awe-inspiring sight of a glacier calving. It's a spectacle you won't forget. Next, the ship will dock at the quirky town of Skagway, a relic of the 19th century gold rush era. Here you have the chance to explore its historic downtown, take a scenic train ride, or partake in an exhilarating dog sledding adventure. The journey doesn't end there. The next stop is the vibrant city of Juneau, Alaska's capital. From exploring the Mendenhall Glacier to sampling delicious Alaskan king crab, there's something for everyone in Juneau. As the cruise winds down, the ship will make its final stop at Ketchikan, known as the salmon capital of the world. Here, you can explore the beautiful Misty Fjords National Monument, or immerse yourself in the rich native Alaskan culture at the Totem Heritage Center. To summarize, an Alaskan cruise offers a unique blend of natural beauty, wildlife, and cultural experiences. From the breathtaking Inside Passage and Glacier Bay National Park, the historic town of Skagway, the bustling city of Juneau, to the stunning landscapes of Ketchikan, each stop has its own charm and adventure waiting for you. A first-time cruiser or a seasoned traveler, an Alaskan cruise offers an unforgettable adventure. So pack your bags, embark on that ship, and be ready to experience Alaska like never before. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your fellow travelers. Happy cruising!